Hello everyone, welcome to your daily dive into the world of Ethereum, the cryptocurrency that's powering the future of decentralized finance, smart contracts, and so much more. It's January 10th, 2026, and we've got a packed show today with all the latest updates on ETH that's got the crypto community buzzing. If you're new here, stick around because we're breaking down the biggest stories that could shape your understanding of where Ethereum is headed. And hey, if this is hitting the spot, smash that like button right now. It helps us bring you more of this every day. Let's kick things off with the price action, because that's what everyone's eyes are on first. As of this morning, Ethereum is trading around 3,093, holding steady after a wild week. You know how it goes in crypto? One day it's up, the next it's testing your nerves. But get this. After a 3.1% market dip on January 8th that pulled the total crypto cap down to 3.1 trillion, ETH has shown some real resilience. Bitcoin and ETH both felt the heat from negative ETF flows, with over $1.3 billion pulled from Bitcoin funds and $351 million from ETH ones. Yet here we are, with ETH rebounding and not budging much over the past 7 days. If you're watching the charts like I am, this flat line could be the calm before the storm, but more on that in a bit. What do you think? Is this the setup for a breakout? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Now, shifting gears to one of the hottest topics, Ethereum's tech upgrades. Folks, the network just bumped its blob capacity ahead of the Fusaka upgrade, increasing data per block to a target of 14 blobs and a max of 21. This is huge for scaling. It means lower fees for layer 2 rollups and smoother operations overall. Remember how high gas fees used to kill the vibe back in 2021? Well, they're down to about 0.17 now, and with 8.7 million contracts deployed in Q4 last year, developers are building like never before. Vitalik Buterin himself is calling this a turning point, saying Ethereum's cracking the blockchain trilemma with PeerDAS Live and ZK EVMs in alpha. That's scalability, security, and decentralization all in one. A fundamentally new network that's ready for prime time. And looking ahead, the Glamsterdam roadmap is eyeing 10,000 transactions per second. If you're into the tech side of crypto, this is why Ethereum keeps leading the pack. Stay tuned, because up next we're talking predictions that could make your jaw drop. Don't go anywhere. Before we jump into that, quick shout out. If you're loving these updates and want to stay ahead of the curve, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We drop fresh ETH insights daily, and you won't want to miss out on what's coming in 2026. Alright, let's talk price potential. Wall Street's Tom Lee, from a firm holding over $13 billion in ETH, is forecasting Ether could hit $9,000 early this year. That's a potential 177% jump from current levels. He points to rebounding from last year's red close and strong fundamentals. Meanwhile, analysts at VanEck see ETH climbing to $11,800 by 2030, driven by growth in stablecoins and real-world asset tokenization. Regulatory clarity is another booster. Clearer rules could open the floodgates for more adoption. But remember, these are analyst views based on trends. Always do your own research. What's your price target for ETH this year? Share in the comments. I read everyone. Speaking of adoption, institutional moves are stealing the show. JP Morgan is now accepting Ethereum as collateral for loans. That's a massive vote of confidence from traditional finance. And Visa? They're using ETH for stablecoin settlements. Add to that Grayscale potentially enabling staking dividends in its ETH ETF, and you've got institutions piling in. On the staking front, the validator exit queue has cleared for the first time in months, with over 1.3 million ETH waiting to stake. That's surging demand and confidence post-Fusaka. Ethereum's real usage is shining through, with networks like Aave Horizon topping 600 million in TVL and Uniswap proving on-chain markets work. This isn't just hype, it's real-world utility driving the narrative. But wait, there's more. Options expiry is adding some spice. Over $2.2 billion in BTC and ETH options expired yesterday, with ETH hovering just above its $3,100 max pain level. Calls outnumbered puts, hinting at upside bets. And despite the recent crash, rebounds are happening. ETH broke its corrective channel and is eyeing that $3,100 resistance. Some charts even suggest a Wyckoff reaccumulation pattern, potentially leading to a vertical markup phase toward 10K. Exciting times, right? If this is getting you pumped, share this video with a friend who's into crypto. Let's grow the community together. Diving deeper into the ecosystem, Zama's hit Ethereum with private smart contracts via homomorphic encryption, boosting privacy. And censorship resistance? Fossil might land in the Hagata upgrade after missing Glamsterdam. These tweaks are making Ethereum more robust against challenges. On the flip side, ETF outflows hit $72 million recently, but with developers deploying at record pace, the long-term story looks solid. Bitcoin's RSI is hinting at rebounds too, which often spills over to ETH. Wrapping up today's ETH news, from scaling upgrades like Fusaka easing fees to institutional giants like JPM and Visa embracing ETH, and bold predictions from analysts, 2026 is shaping up to be Ethereum's year. We've seen rebounds, staking surges, and tech breakthroughs that solve real problems. If you're as excited as I am, here's your call to action. Subscribe now for more daily breakdowns. Like this video to show your support, and comment below with what ETH story you want us to cover next. Share it far and wide. Let's get everyone in on this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for more on the crypto world. Stay smart out there.